Indo-American healthcare economist and well-known cardiac surgeon Dr. Mukesh Hariawala was recently honored in Mumbai with the Indian Healthcare Visionary of the Decade award. Harvard-trained and internationally acclaimed, Dr. Hariawala delivered a keynote address at the conclave with the theme President Barack Obama's Second Term: Business Implications on Indian Healthcare.
Barack Obama is not India's president. He's an American president voted for America. But being a leader of the free world and being the most powerful and influential person in the world, some of his policies can play a role which could be positive for India. India can offer all procedures at 10% of United States. Now you know why the insurance executives are traveling 14-hour flights to India. They want to capitalize on this rate card. India, fortunately, has world-class facilities. Gone are the days where India could not showcase its healthcare. Fortunately, India has the intellectual power and the healthcare talent, the best of surgeons. I consider every Indian cardiac surgeon as good as a cardiac surgeon in America.
Dr. Hariawala spoke about the concept of medical tourism and how it could prove to be beneficial for India.
This is my friend's hospital in Delhi, the Artemis Hospital. Look at the beauty of Artemis Hospital. But I'm not trying to show you a beautiful hospital. Look at this. The attraction is a world wonder. 1.5 hours from Artemis Hospital, you can visit the Taj Mahal. This is the fusion and the power of India, is to offer top quality health, also offer top quality tourism. This is the new definition of medical tourism, is to combine A and B. Look at how many industries it will spring up. Travel industry, food industry, hospitality industry. Here is local indigenous billions of dollars of economy upliftment that we can do. If the target of the Planning Commission of India in Delhi is 8%, they will need to do newer things. They do not realize that that new thing is not software. That new thing is healthcare. Because healthcare is not only about health. It could spin up so many new industries.
Dr. Hariawala received the award during the 4th edition of India Leadership Conclave and Indian Affairs Business Leadership Awards 2013, being hosted by Indian Affairs, one of Asia's credible news magazine. Correspondent Anand from Mumbai for ANI.